Good morning, everybody. Good morning, the UPS stores, owners, franchisees, associates. Today in this video, we're just going to cover how to process a shipment international. How to process a shipment international. So we're just going to go to the professional shipping tool I ship. Double click. And then you're just going to use your login. As we agreed about, the UPSS and then your store number and then the password all the time. Most of the time, if you haven't changed it, it's going to be the postal code. And then we're going to hit enter. Downloading progress. This is any updates happen. It's happen most of the time when you open the application in the morning. So synchronizing and installing the application files. Okay. And as we mentioned before about the iShip alerts, so you're going to see if there is any alerts affecting the delivery of the time on transit is going to be on that side here. So there's some sort of updates today. I see 106. Oh my god, that's a lot. But any updates happen is really good, because it's the back end developers and the front end developers for the iShip, they're doing their best already to develop the program on a daily basis actually. Okay, here we go. So preparing to load. That's not actually happen every day. So to be honest with you, this is once in a while that's happened, this updates. Okay, I'm just gonna maximize the screen, even we know that it's not taking effect to the window, the shipping window itself. Okay, here we have some alerts. UPS weather advisors. So severe winter weather is impacting service in the following states: Alabama and North Carolina. It's a very nice tool to look at the alerts when you process any shipment on the day. Okay, so you will be able, and here for French speakers, welcome to Quebec. So we have it here in French. So you can check on the latest information on service delays, including the affected zip codes at ups.com. So keep in mind when you send something today, to Alabama and North Carolina, that you just advise your client, okay, so the weather might affect the time on delivery. That's it. It's a statement. Some of the clients are going to take it easy, some not, but I believe that you have to say it. Okay, so today as we're covering that how to ship or process a shipment international. So let's start from quoting that shipment. So let's say that we're quoting something to the States. So you notice that the second country right after Canada on the list is United States. Okay, even that we know alphabetically it's not the U, it's not coming after the C, but because we process shipments most probably to Canada and US all the time, so it's smart that we have the States right away after Canada. Okay, and as well you're gonna notice Mexico. Okay, so why Canada, United States, Mexico? Yeah, because it's kind of like most common that you're gonna send a lot to the States, and also you're gonna send a lot to Mexico. Supposed to be, you're gonna use DHL for that. UPS even. For the States also, DHL is offering very good prices and very good service too. Okay, I'm gonna select United States, and then I'm just gonna put something like a zip code in New York, for example. Okay, so it should be New York, and we're sending it to business, and the customs, is it documents or not? Okay, so let's say it's a non-documents. Invoice amount, how much is the value for the item? So you're gonna ask the client, how much should I put the value for the item inside the box? So the client says it's going to be $200. Okay, so let's say it's a 6 pounds. Other packing, I will leave it. I'm using the tab on my keyboard. Okay, so the type I will leave it. And then the length with the height, let's say it's at 12 by 10 by 10. Okay, is it packed by customer or by the center? Let's assume it's going to be packed by the center. And then I'm going to click on Get Rates. Okay, so we have UPS standard, UPS expedited, UPS express, saver, and then I am sure that we will have DHL after. Okay, Well, you notice all the UPS service is going to come on the top, and then following by the DHL services too. Okay, so you have overnight by DHL for $121.88. You see this one here. So you have overnight $121.88 comparing to the overnight, which is the 22nd by UPS Express. It's $190, and the UPS Express Saver, UPS Express is $200. So here we go. We have a DHL overnight. We have UPS overnight. Okay. Now let's assume you're gonna select a UPS Express, or let's go with the standard. Okay, cheapest for the client. And then this is packed by the center, and the client decided to go with the shipment protection. He said, okay, please give me like 200 coverage. Okay, and could you help me to pack it, please? Yes. So we're gonna make pack and ship guarantee coverage, and then it costs me to pack this one, let's say $12. Okay, then now I'm just gonna click on get rates again. So you notice already it's a $46.32 at the iShip. Again, this is very important. The calculation for the shipment protection is based on $3 per 100. Some stores charging $4. Okay, just to clarify only, the iShip calculating the shipment protection based on $3 per 100. Okay, I know some of you might ask, am I able to change that on my iShip to have it like a $4 per 100 as a calculation by default? I'll get back to you on that. Okay, so now I select a UPS standard $46.32, and then I will click on process a package. Okay, at the shipping screen processing shipment screen, we have ship from, we have ship to. Okay, all the package information that I just inserted in the quoting screen is still as is. Declare the value as is. Everything is already copied. Okay, UPS standard, the service that I selected, is already showing here. Be aware and pay your attention that UPS as a carrier comes here at this section here because you selected a UPS standard in the quoting screen. You selected UPS, but if you still need to see the rest of the options for DHL, you have to change this to all carriers. And then click on get rates. This way you will get, supposed to, give it a second, should work, yeah, it's already still shaded, so it's getting all the information, and here you're gonna, supposed to, okay, so I'm just gonna click on get rates again. Okay, I will tell you why that's happened. Because the pack and ship guaranteed, it's not an option by DHL. Okay, so if I deselect this one, you will have to see the DHL. Okay, so the shipment protection as covered by UPS, covered same way by DHL, but not with the packing charges. So if you select the pack and ship guarantee coverage, it's going to be only UPS. But if you want to see the DHL, you're just going to deselect this, and you could have shipment protection only, not insurance. Insurance is a wrong terminology, okay? So you can have it as a shipment protection only, but not covering the packing charge, okay? So if you need to see the DHL, let's assume that you're going to do it as a UPS, okay? And then apply the pack and ship guarantee, and we said the packing is going to cost us about $12. Get rates. Okay, this one, when you ship from, if the person is already in your system, like ship from the store before, and then you enter the phone number and then use the tab option, ta-da, so you have the information for the sender. And then let's assume that I'm sending to someone used to send from my store before, and I have the information on the system. Okay, Patricia, Okay, she's already on the system. Okay, and the address is exact match. And we are sending no documents here. Okay, so we are sending, let's say, home made cake, let's say, and reason for export, it's gonna be a gift. Declaration is gonna be standard. Everything here, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So whatever is with blue, I just have to fill it. Homemade cake. You can make here as a gift if you want, but it's already been mentioned, the reason of export, okay? The export information, this is if you exceeding, I recommend, if you exceed $1,000, I know it's on the book, it's a $2,000, you can just create a B13A. Okay, generate B13A declaration if it's exceeding a $2,000 value for the item. Okay, which is not the situation here. Okay, so we're gonna make a B13 declaration document, does not need to be created. Okay, so this is still not the commercial invoice. This is the additional information that it does need it. Here, the commodity, I will enter it. The product ID number, this is probably gonna be something like the parcel shipping order number if you want. Okay, that this is internal system to your store if you need that. Item description, again, it's a home made cake. Okay, and the price unit, we said it's about 200. This should be exactly match the shipment protection. Quantity is 1, but what 1 piece of cake? No, it's a 1 box. So you're gonna change this to box. Okay, so the gross weight, well, cake 12 pounds, that's a lot, oh my god. Anyway, so 12 pounds, okay, and it's made in Canada, the country of origin. And then you're gonna make done, and then press OK. Oh, sorry, it's 6 pounds, so I have to change this. 6 pounds, making sense. So I will go to the commodity, edit, and then I'm gonna make this one as 6 pounds. And then I will click done, and then press OK. Now I have created a commercial invoice for this one. Ship from, easy. Ship to, easy. I didn't fill it, yes, because she was already on the system, but we will fill one on the coming videos together. But here, this is the company name, match with the nickname, phone number. When I enter the phone number already on the ship to, it's just like generate all the information from the system to me right away. Okay, and then I will click OK. Here, when you want the sender and receiver receive an email, you just have to select this one, email notification, and then click on ship, and you want them to receive once it's been shipped and once it's been delivered. Okay, and then you have to click on get rates again. Okay, you notice it's shaded. Okay, when it's come back to the the black solid color for the font, that's mean it's already been generating all the prices and updated prices. Okay, so as we explained why DHL, it's not showing here. Okay, so you're gonna select the UPS standard. The client all of a sudden he needs signature on delivery. Okay, no problem. You're just gonna select signature choices, and then you're gonna make collect auto signature, and then you have to click on get rates again. Here we go. So 55.92, and then when I make ship it F10, it will take us to the screen of shipping. I'm just gonna make it, and I'm able to void it after. Okay, but I'm just gonna make it for now because I want to show you the coming screen before this video ends. So ship it, and then you're gonna notice here the custom documents number of copies is 3. This is the commercial invoice. If you need it more, normally it should be 3 sufficient. If you need more, you just have to change this one. If we print a B13A for such any other of shipment that it does require B13, it's gonna show here. Okay, and then you're gonna click on print, which is I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna make close, and then because I didn't print, it show me the print screen already for the label. But if I make print, it's gonna go right away to the printer. But this is like a print screen, which is very smart actually, and this is sitting inside that we have control to change it to. I'm just gonna close this one, and then this transaction complete, done. The system asks you new shipment, same recipient, new recipient, repeat shipment, and we will talk about these options on the coming videos. Okay, thank you so much.